Intel Core i3-6320 is a dual-core desktop processor designed for mainstream computing. It belongs to the sixth generation of Intel Core processors, also known as Skylake. Here are some key specifications and features of the Core i3-6320. Architecture: Skylake is built on a 14 nanometers manufacturing process, which provides better power efficiency and performance compared to its predecessors. Cores and threads: the Core i3-6320 has 2 physical cores and supports 4 simultaneous threads using Intel's hyper-threading technology. This enables better multitasking performance. Clock speed: the base clock speed of the Core i3-6320 is typically around 3.9 GHz, allowing it to handle everyday tasks and applications with ease. Cache: it comes with a 4 MB smart cache, which helps improve the processor's efficiency by reducing the time it takes to access frequently used data. Integrated graphics: the processor includes Intel HD Graphics 530, which is suitable for basic graphics tasks and light gaming but may not be sufficient for demanding gaming or graphics-intensive workloads. TDP, thermal design power: the TDP of the Core i3-6320 is typically around 51 watts, which means it consumes moderate power and produces a reasonable amount of heat. Socket: the processor uses an LGA 1151 socket, making it compatible with motherboards that support this socket type. The Core i3-6320 is generally aimed at users who require decent processing power for everyday tasks, such as web browsing, office applications, multimedia consumption, and casual gaming. It may not be the best choice for heavy multitasking or demanding tasks like video editing or high-end gaming.